Manipur Chief Minister Khemchand left Imphal for Delhi on Tuesday evening to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The meeting is expected to discuss the prevailing situation in the state, including demand for updating NRC before census. According to sources, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has summoned Chief Minister Khemchand to Delhi to discuss the current law and order situation and the ground realities in Manipur. The meeting is also expected to cover the growing demand from various sections of the people for updating NRC in the state and postponing census operations until NRC exercise is completed. Chief Minister Khemchand left Imphal for Delhi this evening and is expected to meet Amit Shah during his visit. The meeting comes at a time when protests and public campaigns demanding NRC updation before census have intensified across Manipur.